On behalf of Campus Life Technology, I would like to welcome you to Windows 10. Though Windows 10 may appear vastly different from your previous operating system, very little has actually changed. Essentially everything is where you last left it, meaning your files, folders, and settings are all in the same place. Small user interface tweaks to icons, menus, and colors have been made in the latest version of Windows. However, this will rarely change the functionality. Learning this new system should take very little of your time. Located in the same area as before, the new Start menu has a different icon. It can be launched the same way as before by clicking on the Windows icon or pressing the Windows key on the keyboard. You will note the new Start menu prioritizes functionality and is broken down into three main vertical columns. The furthest left and narrowest column contains your settings, shutdown, restart, lock, and log out functions. The middle column is a scrolling list of all the applications installed on your computer. This is similar to the All Programs button from Windows 7. The far right and largest column contains all the pinned applications, shortcuts, and files, which you can later edit. You can pin an application to the Start menu by right-clicking on it and selecting Pin to Start. You can also remove an application by right-clicking on it and selecting Unpin from Start. To access your files from the desktop, open the shortcut titled This PC. The icon looks like a little computer. This will bring up a familiar window that in the previous version was called Computer. For quick access, whenever you have multiple windows open or the desktop is inaccessible, select the icon that looks like a manila folder on the taskbar near the Start button called File Explorer. Selecting this icon will launch the same window as the desktop shortcut. On the Start menu, you can also click the small folder icon found within the leftmost column. To search any item on the computer or the internet using the new Start menu, launch the Start menu as you would for any other task, and begin typing your query. Results will begin to appear as you type. Alternatively, you can use a search bar embedded in the taskbar. Results may not be instantaneous, especially when searching for files. Access both your X and Y drives by navigating to the This PC section in the File Explorer window. There you will see both listed. It is strongly recommended that all files are saved in your personal Y drive or Department X drive to prevent data loss in the unlikely event of a computer failure. Windows 10 also includes new features to enhance multitasking. Located in the taskbar is an icon comprised of three white rectangles called Task View. Clicking on this button when multiple windows are open will clearly display all windows to make switching between them easier. When you select the button on the bottom right of the screen, a new desktop will be added. Doing so allows you to better organize your tasks and open windows. You can move windows between desktops by clicking and dragging them to the desired desktop. You can switch between desktops by opening Task View and selecting the desired one at the bottom, or by using the shortcut Windows key plus Control and navigating using the left and right arrows. You can designate a desktop for open files you are working on and create another one for work communications, such as emails. This feature is best used to separate tasks, helping to prevent distractions and countless windows cluttering the same desktop. These are the basics of Windows 10. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Rebel Repair Help Desk at 702-895-5324 or emailing us at rebelrepair@unlv.edu.